world. Fun is never far away. Alva's world. Time for learning is the way we're safe with our friends. Absolutely every day in Alva's world. With Uli, Spark, Mom and me, best friends that ever roll. No one gets between us except maybe the trolls. Alva's world. Fun is never far away. Alva's world.
Come on. This is Alva's family vlog. I'm playing a fun sorting game. Well, I'm trying to. It's hard to sort all the colours quickly.
Oh! Lucky you've got a big sister to help. Quick, get that blue one. Get the red.
I can't keep up, Nessa.
That must be my package. Finally.
But what about the blues? Yellow, yellow, yellow! No! Red! Huh? A message? Ness, just wait until you hear about... Hear about what? Oh, I have to tap to read the whole message. It's not my message, but it sounds exciting. Maybe a little look. Not sure. Maybe my friends in Gizmo might help me decide. Mo, go, Gizmo!
Bloopy blop, bloop, bloop, blop, 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 blop. Oh, look! Oh, wow! Oh, Alva! Mo! You've come at a very exciting time. I've just bought a Clickatron 5000. With this, every Uli can send special personal messages to each other. Now the only thing left to do is deliver all these mini clicker tags to the Parkside apartments. Fortunately, I have a volunteer on the way.
Greetings, all you humble bluffers. I'm delivering Clickatron messages. Stay tuned for loads of juicy gossip.
Hey, Humble Bluff, I was gonna hide in the bushes and frighten some Ulis.
Sorry, on my way to deliver messages for Mayor Garth.
What? Why you helping that Uli foolie?
Because my humble bluffers haven't had any good gossip in ages. Except, did you hear the latest rumor about Skatha?
I am Skatha, and all you've been thinking about lately is that gossip show of yours. Let me tell you, that's trolly even for a troll.
Don't pay him any attention, humble bluffers. He just doesn't understand us. Humble Bluff reporting for Clickatron duty.
Ah, hooray!
I calculate that a troll delivery person might not be a good idea.
You sure about this, Mayor Garth?
I'm sure, Alva. Even trolls deserve a chance to be helpful.
Hey, standing right here.
How about I help Humble Bluff?
What? No!
It's no trouble, really.
It's settled then. Alva will help.
Fine, come on then.
Bye.
See you in a bit.
Each mini clicker has to go to the right home.
Humble Bluff.
What?
Why are you recording on your Trollophone?
It's for my vlog on volunteering. Yeah, that's it.
I didn't know.
Okay.
Mo, do you get the feeling that Humble Bluff is up to something?
I have had that feeling 347 times.
Don't worry, humble bluffers. We're getting to the fun part where I get to read you Uli messages.
Here we are, the Parkside Apartments. Oh, I get how it works. The tag color matches the postbox color, Mo.
Now for some juicy... Huh? Hey, I was reading... I was gonna deliver that.
It's like the sorting game back home.
Excellent, Alva. Now that Uli can get their message.
Great! Let's get the next tag ready.
No, these are mine. That's a message. I'll get it.
Can't lose someone's tag, or they might miss an important message. Huh? What's this? Regarding Alva. Don't forget about the... Wait, this message is about me.
Oh, come on then. Let's take a look.
Yes, if this is about me, I really should see it, shouldn't I?
Oh, yes. Now, humble bluffers, are you excited? I know I am.
Wait, what are you up to?
Nothing. Just turn to the trollophone here and read the message.
Alva, this message is not for you.
But it is about me.
Messages are between the sender and whoever they are sent to. They are private.
Oh, you're no fun. I'll show you how easy it is. Look.
No!
This message is telling Uli Bean he's been wearing his new sweater backwards.
Stop! Reading those messages out loud isn't nice.
Oh, come on, Alva. Let's see what the one about you says, shall we?
Humble Bluff, hand over the tags.
No way. I'm going to broadcast these messages all over Trollum.
Oh no! Those messages are private.
Mine! All mine! Ha-ha! Now, humble bluffers, listen to this. Uli Chuck doesn't know how to make poochberry pie, but he sings very nicely. Boring part.
Mo, we have to do something.
Bluffers, we're going to see what's in this juicy message.
I have an idea, Alva.
Uli Hum was practicing a new dance by the Blavo tree, and it was really bad.
Attention! Please stay tuned for all the news on Humble Bluff's feet.
What? How did that get there? Alva, my feet are nobody's business.
Exactly. Just like these messages.
Mine! All mine!
Mo, you stay with Humble Bluff.
Yes, of course, Alva.
The only way to put an end to this is to deliver all these tags.
Big news, humble bluffers! Uli Ollie bakes a stinky pie. Aha! Humble bluffers! Uli Paula never ever washes behind her ears.
That's it, Mo. I'm out of tags.
I'm not. Aw.
Look at these, Alva.
Thanks, Mo. There. All done. I'm much better at sorting in Gizmo than I was at home.
I need more gossip.
Actually, Alva, by my calculations, you should still have the gold tag with the message about you.
You're right, Mo. There's no gold mailbox. We'd better go ask Mayor Garth.
Absolutely, but we should really read that message first.
Hey, Alva!
Oh, Mayor Garth. I saw the first part of the message by accident. Sorry. I didn't look at the rest. Messages are private.
But we can't seem to find who the recipient of this tag is.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. I sent this message to myself. It was a reminder. Once Alva is finished delivering the tags, I need to update the Clickatron so all the future messages will be secure.
Huh? Updates?
Updates installed. Messages now secure and private.
What? No! 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 Oh, that's ruined all the fun! No!
Sorry, Humble Bluffers. The only gossip here is that one troll is throwing a terrible tantrum. Well, now that's sorted, and I mean actually sorted, we should get back.
Oh, wave goodbye, humble bluffers. That pesky Alva and Mo are leaving.
Okay, Mo, time to go. Bye!
Bye, Alva!
That That message is not for me. Messages are private. Nessa, you got a message.
Thanks, Alva. But first... Oh, this isn't for me. It came to the wrong address. It's for Mrs. O'Brien a few houses down. I better go give it to her. Sorry, I can't help you with the game.
That's okay. I won. I've had lots of delivery practice with the Clickatron.
Oh, really? Come on then. Tell me all about it on the way.
I'll send you a message.